It'd be a perfectly legitimate question to ask yourself, why is he on the ground? And why are there 3 giant boxes there? Let me explain. The answer to that question happens to be thanks to our sponsor, Monument Grills. It's because of their new Mesa Series. Well, their updated Mesa Series of grills. They have completely revamped this series of grills, and they wanted me to take a look at them. Actually, they wanted you to take a look at them. Now, if you follow this channel, you happen to know that I have one of the Monument Denali series, the big boys. Well, this is the next one down from the big boy. This is the Mesa Series. That is a 2-burner, a 3-burner, and a 4-burner grill. That way, they have something for anybody, whether you need something just very tiny or you want something kind of getting up into that big size so you can cook a lot of food. Now, to show you these grills, I'm gonna have to put 3 grills together. That's gonna take me a while. So I'm gonna film in some time lapse and put these guys together. I'll see you guys in, I don't know how long. I would say if you are going to put together one of these Mesa Series grills, give yourself roughly an hour or a little more, and you'll be able to get one together pretty much without any problems. Now, let's take a look at them and see what kind of features they have.
The Mesa 200 series has a retro techie kind of vibe going to it. The knobs on the unit are newly designed with a cool flame logo on them, plus they light up. They're white when it's off and red when it's on. It's really striking at night. But don't worry, there's a little switch, you can turn that on and off if you want. They also upgraded the thermometer to an 800 degree model with a new look. The unit features cast iron grill grates that have great heat retention, resist corrosion, and are super easy to clean. The firebox is also a breeze to clean with an advanced enameling process that provides resistance to high heat and corrosion. And changing the battery on the push button ignition is the easiest out of any grill I've ever used. But the showstopper has to be the Clearview Lid, which features an upgraded glass material that ensures easy cleaning, heat resistant, and just makes it cool. And that lid has been upgraded from the old model to a die-cast aluminum, which just looks fantastic. It even has a built-in bottle opener, so you can enjoy a frosty beverage. There are convenient hooks on both sides of the grill, so you can just hang anything you need. Loading a propane tank is a breeze. Easy access. Speaking of easy access, this unit has a pull-out grease tray. No more reaching in to clean out the grease. Even the drip tray is easy to get to.
One of the absolute coolest features of this little 2-burner is you can fold these shelves down. You just lift up on them, tilt them down, and now you have a super tight footprint. This thing can fit just about anywhere. Small back patios, everything. This will be great for those. But it still has a pretty good sized cooking area. You could fit a full rack of ribs on there. I could fit a brisket in there. It's got some space. You're not sacrificing a whole lot of grilling area to get this small footprint.
And now we step up to the 300 series, the 3-burner. It has all the same hits as the 2-burner, the Clearview Lid, with 570 inches of grilling space. Tons of space. You still get your lighted knobs with the red and white colors for on and off. The upgraded die-cast aluminum lid is there, covering your cast iron grill grates. Easy to clean enamelized firebox? Yeah, it's got that too, with 4 12,000 BTU burners inside it. It also has the upgraded 800 degree thermometer with its new bold look. However, this one has something the 2-burner didn't. A side burner, a 12,000 BTU side burner. That's serious. 2 nice big double doors with solid handles open up the propane tank area with a little bit of extra room for storage. You still have the pull-out grease tray for easy cleaning. And don't think they forgot about the bottle opener and the hooks on both sides of the unit for all your tools. And did I mention how cool these grills look at night with the lighted knobs? I love them. And last but certainly not least, the Mesa 400 series, the 4-burner unit. It's got all the hits. It's got the bottle opener, the hooks, the upgraded thermometer, cool Monument Grills badging, And tucked under that die-cast aluminum upgraded lid is 630 square inches of grilling fun. And don't worry, you get the cast iron grates, you just get more of them. And just like the 300 series, you have a 12,000 BTU side burner for all your sauteing needs. You get the easy-to-clean firebox with 4 10,000 BTU burners. That's a lot of BTU. And even though I didn't feature it on the other grills, all 3 grills have a Monument logo embossed into the lid. This grill has it all. What else could you want in a grill?
There you go. These are all the grills in the Mesa series from Monument Grills. And I purposely had them send me a couple of different finishes, the black, the red, and stainless. Upon, kind of looking at them and everything, honestly, I love a stainless grill, but I think if I were to purchase one, I would probably go with one of these enamel style ones, either this red, which I really like, or the black. This already has a ton of fingerprints on it, and my other stainless steel one is a pain to maintain and keep perfectly nice looking and pretty. These seem to be a lot easier to deal with. I'm not getting any fingerprints on them. I bet you they're easier to clean, and I bet you they're gonna be a little bit more durable in the long run. Personally, I'd go for one of these. I really like this red. Did I mention I like the red? All of them have that high-end Monument build quality. They have the light up knobs, they have the see-through window, which is absolutely key to me. The fact you can see your food as it's cooking, game changer in a grill for me. Silly feature that I like is this replaceable battery is so easy to get to. On my old grill, I had to literally take the front apart to replace the ignition part for the battery with the spark. Pain in the butt. This, it's literally a screw, boom, right there, no problem. I love that. These cast iron grill grates are amazing. They clean up super easy. They seem to be very durable. I don't have any rust going on mine. I give them a little wipe down and a good brushing after every grilling, and they've been holding up really well. These seem to be the same ones, so I don't see why they would be any different. The fact you can slide the entire grease tray out also is a big plus for me. My grease tray on my other grill just completely deteriorated. It was not easy to get to. This is literally slide in and out, and I'm not just talking about the little catcher. The whole tray comes out, which will be a replaceable piece that you could just order if it goes bad. That's pretty amazing. Now I gotta pick which grill to grill on. Not sure which one I'll grill on. I've decided I'm gonna cook on the red one, which I'm calling Palpatine. Red, feels right. That's Mando, that's Vader. We got one good guy, 2 bad guys. Let's go ahead and give this a fire up. To fire this guy up, all you have to do is turn that guy there and hit your ignition. We're gonna give this, I don't know, a good 5 or 10 minutes to really heat up and burn off anything that was in there on the shipping process. And we're gonna be ready to go. Right here, I've got some pork loin chops, nothing special. All I did was brine them a little bit. I threw a little bit of garlic powder, onion powder, a little bit of black pepper on there, and some avocado oil. Let's throw them on the grill. I've got this set up for 2-zone cooking. It's low on this side, high on that side. Start everybody out on the high side. I gotta say, for this being a small 2-burner grill, I don't feel cramped as far as space goes. I got lots of room. I got my pork chops going. I could have room for veggies on the other side here. I don't feel cramped at all. This seems like it's got great space for a small footprint grill. I like that. I'm gonna take these chops to about 145, and then we'll let them rest. Now this is like literally one of my favorite parts about this grill. I can close off the lid and I can still see what's going on in there. That's awesome. It's the best part. It says we're climbing up around 300 degrees in there. It's probably hotter because I just closed the lid. I'm sure it's much hotter than 300 because I have that left burner on full. So looking how this is cooking, it looks like I'm a little hotter at the back, which is normal. This is a Japanese barbecue sauce I found on Amazon. It is a yuzu and citrus one, kind of like the one yuzu citrus I made for my wings. We'll give it a try. These are looking fantastic. I mean, look how gorgeous that looks. That looks nice. We'll give those guys a few minutes over there on the cool side with the lid down. They should come up to temp. We'll be ready to try these things in a few minutes. While those are going, make sure you guys check out monumentgrills.com. All the grills are going to be on there. You can check them out, roll through them. All the information is going to be in the description below. These look fantastic, and I can't wait any longer. They rested like 6 or 7 minutes. I'm gonna cut this big boy up. That is a perfectly cooked piece of pork. Let's give it a try. Oh man. Tender, delicious, a little bit of a char on there. I do like that barbecue sauce. I guess Palpatine rules the universe, because this grill, it's good. I don't know what else to say about them. They cook great, they look great, they're just a fantastic grill. If you're interested in any of these, I'm gonna throw that link down in the description below. There will be information on how to purchase them. If there's a deal in there, I'm gonna throw that down there also so you guys get the best price possible. And now we have to answer that very important question. Why did the grill join a band? Because it had great chops. Dad may tell very bad dad jokes and have a plethora of grills on his patio to choose from, but Dad doesn't do outros. So that's it. Bye.